album mode. G-Wiz Music. Live from Big Yard Studio, Kingston, Jamaica. G-Wiz album out January 2022. We have a few major collabs. We have a few major songs on the album. Stay tuned. Bless up the fans worldwide. Let's go. Be that movement. Album 2022. Let's go. Peace.